What's up, y'all? We are now taking the X21 Max over here, seeing how it does. This is real loose over here, so we're gonna take it a little easy. We're only in eco mode right now. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Okay, put that suspension to work. There's some people fishing, which is what I came here to do. Now, somebody asked, can the X21 Max go up these hills that I did with the Ventus? We're gonna put that to test. Let me put my bag down, make things a little bit easier, because I got my fishing pole back there. All right, let's see if it can hit these little hills. Definitely putting it in a sport. Let's see. No issue. No issue. What about this big one over here? Yeah! No problem. Oh crap, this grass is tall. Ow. Ow. My legs. My legs! Man, it's tall down here too. Oh shoot. Oh man. Ow, that hurts. That hurts. Oh, I should have put pants on. I didn't anticipate tall grass over here. Who's gonna cut this? Somebody needs to cut this. Ah. Alright. This suspension is a lot more stiff than the Ventus. Let's fix this a little bit. That's compression all the way soft. Okay, that helps. Ooh, man, I don't know if I'm gonna be jumping this one. Feels a little sketch. Oh, this freaking grass. Let me see. Let me just. I mean, this bike isn't designed to be hidden jump, so I'm really not gonna do that with it. But to go up obstacles like this is great. Yeah, yeah. That wasn't bad. That wasn't bad. You want to go up some hills and there we go. Let me see if I start with a little. It just doesn't feel the same as a Sur-Ron style bike with the mid-drive. It just doesn't feel the same. It's fun though. It's fun. It's just a different style bike. Now that is going to be the test. Man, of course the GoPro doesn't pick up how steep it is. I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna say it's not going to make it. It's not straight up. There's a little part here that it goes up, then it goes flat, and then up. If it was continuous and I started from back here, I bet it would. But once I get to that flat part, I don't know. Oh, let me see. Oh, no, it's not going. Oh, Oh, shoot. Oh, my chain must not be on because I was pedaling and it wasn't moving. What the heck? My chain came off. I didn't even know. Oh, let's turn. No wonder. That was bad. I didn't even know the chain was off. Couldn't even tell. I can't do this one hand, can I? All right, chain's on. Oh boy. I think I'm gonna have to walk up here with this. That was a terrible experience. Make sure your chain is on. That was the first time I've ever fallen. Let's see if that makes the cut. We're out. We're not doing that again. Let's go get my bag. And let's go down there and fish. Oh boy. Yeah, we need some pedaling. So I notice if you don't have a good start with some speed, you're really not going to go up any hills that are kind of steep. At a start, like you're at the bottom of a hill and you try to just throttle it up, it's not going to happen. You need to come up with some speed first. Something that I was not used to riding mid-drive, and then using this, it's like a whole different experience. You have to learn how to use the platform correctly, because if not, it's gonna turn into a bad day. Freaking chain was off. I didn't even notice. I got up the hill, started trying to pedal, thinking I'm gonna help the bike. Come to find out, I had no pedal because my freaking chain wasn't on. I gotta go slow. I don't know what the heck's over here. Okay, I feel like we should be good here. Hey, turtle. And the fish over there. Alright, let me get set up. Alright, first cast of the day. Hope there's no poison ivy over here, man. Oh, again, should have worn long pants. Look at all the little fishies. I'm using the Walmart grit stick with the $1 Walmart lure that I freaking love. My favorite. Caught so many fish with this thing. Different kinds of fish too. Fish on already? Nope, I'm stuck. Well, if I got a branch, big branch. Now I know that kind of stuff is in there. I can't let it sink too low. Don't want that to happen. Fish on. Fish on. Oh no, he came off. Oh, because I was trying to get it on video. I had him on, turned the GoPro on, loose in tension, and he freaking came off. It was a baby bass. Oh, got another one. Oh, I need to tighten this up. There we go. You're not coming off this time. Oh, look how pretty. Look at that pretty fish. It's a baby. Alright, I'll let you go. Thanks for the catch. Back in action, let's go. I want to let it sink lower, but I got stuck already one time. Don't want that to happen again. Look at that spot right there, man. Gosh. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it sink. Go look. Oh, fish are stuck. That's a fish. Fish on. Another bass. All right, this one's a little prettier. Turn around. All right, he's thick. Chunky bass. Okay, pretty bass. That's a 4-pounder right there. I'm joking. Obviously. Be free. Thank you. Trying to get to that spot right there. Something's big. Well, that was fun. I think we caught 4 fish. 3 maybe on video. 1 I caught it off, but I took a picture of it, so you know I'm gonna include it. Yeah, that's that. Now let's head on home and get some food because I'm starving. But first I got to make sure we can get out of here. It's gonna be interesting. Oh, okay, at an angle we can. Ow. No problem, actually. Yeah, that's fine. It's a little bit of pedaling. Huh. Way easier than I thought that was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be a challenge. It wasn't hard at all. And we got some more people fishing. Wow, you see a lot of stuff up here. You see blow-ups. Fish at the surface. Turtles, lots of turtles. Whole family of turtles. Well, thanks for watching, y'all. I appreciate it. You know I have to ask for the like and the subscribe. Drop any questions in the comments you may have. And keep on enjoying the videos. Thanks, everyone.